Understanding soil amendment, a key to healthier gardens. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and useful phrase in English, soil amendment. This term is especially important for those interested in gardening, agriculture, or environmental science. Let's dive in and understand what it means and why it's so crucial. Soil amendment refers to the process of adding materials to soil to improve its physical properties. These properties include water retention, permeability, water infiltration, drainage, aeration, and structure. The goal of soil amendment is to provide a better environment for plant roots. This term is often used in gardening and agriculture, where soil health is essential for plant growth. There are various types of soil amendments, each serving a different purpose. Common examples include 1. Organic amendments. These are derived from plant or animal matter and contain carbon compounds. They improve soil structure, water retention, and fertility. Examples include compost, manure, and peat moss. 2. Inorganic amendments. These are mineral-based and can alter the soil's physical properties. Examples include sand, perlite, and vermiculite, which improve soil drainage and aeration. Amending soil has several benefits. Improves soil structure. It makes soil looser and more friable, which is good for root growth. Enhances nutrient content, especially with organic amendments, which add nutrients to the soil. Aids in water management. Helps in both water retention in sandy soils and drainage in clay soils. Here's a basic guide on soil amendment. 1. Test your soil. Understand the soil type and its current condition. 2. Choose the right amendment. Based on your soil's needs, choose an organic or inorganic amendment. 3. Apply the amendment. Spread it evenly over your soil and mix it in. Soil amendment is a vital part of maintaining healthy soil and, consequently, healthy plants. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about this term, understanding soil amendment can add a lot to your English vocabulary and general knowledge. Hope you found this video informative and helpful. Happy gardening and happy learning!